Obahi bebre ano pokuare no mawano asante kotokono no soni ebedi akon aboabo ho etuone tone sakra aboankwa ye de etiribeto asem frititio efrititio odmankoma ade no yamfa anto de da na efrato odmankoma ba ade oba asante kotokokofo okon afrana nanom yakon anu ohye Kotoko jemi bi okunfo ne ye ekun bia ebedi na ntiasie wom asante kotoko no no edina nkrofo ti di eti pimpim konfo hu bi bia mfa ni timpim duem ahempo asante kotoko boafo akon na na sa etu no no aye kunumado aje aye kubu aferi o anasa wa be kunim benu o I kunumado I nana sa to bring ponya anasa wa me dom ne ku
Now, Nana Kunadu Yadom, Kumani the fourth, is seated. Nana Kumani the fourth is representing the Asante Otumfo Osietutu the second, the overlord of the Asante Kingdom. And therefore, he is at the moment seated as Asante. So the national CDA. Yamra Asabano Ahemfo Any and 24 hours in Abushabani any Gasene continuing 24 hours in Beba Nebama Nana Akaba or Makaba. Obiya na na ma force so atwaso na ayefefefe ezrano busapani kote ni tasene chido yesra papa dawo
mo be di katia ni nsam nemo onka ha montoma munyimu na mu mpaboa
satana busapani
le ba to di katia na nsam na bra ni nsam ansa abetire mon frustro bra what you are answer after you will come abetire no mabati abetire otuma no ka hanko anko ni pa ni abetire.
The chief and elders have been asked to lower their cloth as a sign of respect to Asante.
I don't know.
These are the chiefs and elders of Asante Mine.
So I will just hear you. Wow,
paying homage and welcoming Asante. Now in the person of Nana Kumani, the fourth.
Cecilia, the brave penny for I didn't say I have for Bibia Tropia, a Bedia Turo, Yamama Akaba. Diakano, a year, a Basia Yama, or war a year Denmark. I didn't feel like the brave. Was Ghana buying and then a few resources about the man, 7 or 2 for so. Now said to a view. In Siamu, Nana Prairie Yadom, Kumani, or Tosonai, Yadamano, Akaba.
Now we expect the delegates or reps from the Ghana Embassy in Copenhagen, Denmark, and the Ghana Consul, Honorary Consul General, to also follow
Mrs. Akiyato. Yeah, we are the one. I feel so. I am Miss Eunice, and I feel so. When you go out, see Ghana by them who brave. Not to say I don't know. I say I hope you are a papa. I must say. I don't know. I am Mrs. Akiyato. Her name is Eunice.
Kula Alanko.
Kula Alanko, Mrs. Kula Alanko. Honor Kula Alanko. Yes, Kula Alanko. And I have heard the same. Kula Alanko, boy. Yeah. Okay, boy. Okay. Yo, I'm not going to know. Now, just a shoe. But I'm one penny and no more. I don't know my man, what tia na kama bɛ mo mo akɔ aba mesra mu kɛtɛ nsu ma wɔ mo ma me kɛtɛ nsu bana wo ma na abɛfie no ɛma mo nyina mo ka ho na ma mo mmra baba na ama ni bi kuna bi yɛ no wada ma na yɛ fi ma baba ma yɛ sɛ si ano wada ma di ni tuma wa ba ne gyina na ɛsa ante ne ma adam mo asɛ ma ne hyɛ so ama mo ɔno sɛ asante ma fi na
Queen Mothers are now welcoming.
wɔn yɛ no ɛyɛ Holland na ne mo ahoma a wɔn si akonnwa soɔ baasi sɛ baabi yɛde ɛmo yɛ a yɛtumi gyina ase yɛde wɔn nyinaa bɛ ha bɔ ayɛ.
May also welcome the Asante. Fatimanko Igbo community, our pastors who are here, bravo, Ghana way.
ɛwɔ sɛ sɛdeɛ wo sɛ ɛnyɛ ado asante amammerɛ anaa Ghana amammerɛ meka sɛ ɛyɛ Albania ɔwɔ nso ɔpanyin paa na se wɔ si abadeɛ ɔne ne dɔm nso ama bɛduru ɔwɔ yɛ kyekyerɛ sɛ ɛbɛba bɛsia ɔpemsuo si ɛna wu na na panyin yɛ dɔ na biribiara kɔ mu ɛfiri sɛ amammerɛ ne abadeɛ deɛ sɛdeɛ asante wɔ bi Ghana wɔ bi ɛdɛm ase ɛno nti no ɛno nti ɛkyɛ yɛbɛmo Albania.
We have the Honorary Consul General of Albania, Her Excellency Liliana Verda, to also come and welcome Asante.
Yes.
The Honorary Consul General of Albania.
Yes. You are welcome. Vivian said you're very good from one part of maybe I like to do this way. They will bring a chair from you to sit. Now I come up and one. Okay. Now, Monster so a year Roman Father Yona. A year Sabi. This is Bratia. We see Pataba and India Waha. A year the legacy. The software no, I don't think the Ayatollah a software won't probably in another Pentecost, a software bass, a software, Gideon software, and for you not for the answer, she said, for those who want to be so on what now, no 6 7 young people and Emma Woodya. Yet our software more probably once.
Thank you very much. Now I introduce few dignitaries. When I was introducing my brother guests, I did not mention their names. Let me take the opportunity to mention their name before we proceed.
Since you pay a lot of money, no see a title for a work media say, send your bear, you will be any nitty.
These are the chiefs from Fantamico.
You want Fantaman was the answer of your year. Hey, what's my ship is sailing tomorrow? Yes. Fantaman,
continue. Nana Sir Wilberforce Isando.
Manka Wilberforce. And the Habed Nana Sir Wilberforce.
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 Abu Sapani Nana Frankedu is also here.
Nana Frankedu. The Massey.
Just Nana Dr. William Brace.
Just say, no, this is my car.
For Nana Alfred Dawson is also here.
Yes, the Massey.
And then the Obahima herself. Nana Dr. Perpetua Crescel.
Hey,
Obahima.
You got them one and gentlemen. If you saw one of them come up, you got them. And I have a day.
Thank you very much. So we will introduce them as and when they come.
I need to know a player Cosrono. You may you will not answer. Something for them, I say. If it's a year, Sabia Musabi Yab something in a year. What's in the Biblia? Seven. The winner Nipa. And so fancy national Santi, Yana Yagana Foma, Etino, Yadamas.
Now we are getting very close to the moment. But before then, Akufuma,
Bakru Asafu Yamaha.
Now the Queen Mother was at the Michael, at the Mine Finland, at the Fogima, and Napia would just as so would lead the other sub queens and introduce them to the Satine.
Sesiano, a player who saw and Panisa Akoko and Tukosia, Yakosia, the Tuakoko, a Seramo of a training Papua, a Lutino. Aya Santa Forma or Finland, the Globian, Satanano, Madama, Bibia, but the Nahima for Samo Papuano, Mobile in the Namo Papua, Muslim.
So that
Nana Medasi. A thing kind of Nana Abraham Kuma. Ordinary Bapany and as a continua or Finland. Yeah, you know. Though this war. Oh, me pato free as Asante Fidasi.
Akama Kotreba Penny Sante Fidasi Sacheriba.
Nana, do this one, eh? Nifahima. Yeah, your friend. Yeah, Nana Yafia.
Nifahima, and I Nifaba Penny, that for Sula, include this one.
But of Rafifus.
Asifus.
Now, this one, your friend. Nana Yafia.
Nakona.
Why? Bokum Yama.
Santa Forma of Finland is introducing other sub
Near this war
to Asante.
Nana Ya Safua. Also offering Afranco. From Afranco.
Koswahima.
Koswahima. Near this way, friend, Nana Akosia Doi. Also offering Dodua.
So, Panama.
Why are here?
Near this war. And I said, O Chatuo. Also there. Nana a pair from Poma. Also free Bremai.
Chikamahima.
Nana, the patrol, I'm a flower, I come now. The day she must have my own family. Me patrol, me did it. Nana appear, there are sense. Me feel I go as I tell you.
Feel so happy.
The Queen Mother, and I feel just as so, And the others should be getting ready to proceed to the next level.
Madam, Finland, Santa Forhima, what's the say? Sebi, a growing, and your water here, no 2 million other than Yamu. It is a better work of a son, is a brat here. Cofano, 100%, and it's part of our. This is another about whatever last year. Cofano, but if I walk, will be able
to the Sabo and Penny Forward was watching on the Yakan. Moving out of Sarabra, I was watching on Country, and it just said, never Penny Forward, and then we now better tomorrow, over tomorrow. The Sabo William Tantam, I better.
penny, lying our armor. You are seeing this out. I'm paying for what words letting I know. This is that year I marry you, Mr. Penny. What do you know?
Amen. We are.
Yo, second just what they are now. Now, from your worker, Roma, when you are penny, I am doing such of a Subratiano, a media good. Yo, the press, so
Now the elders and Queen Mother of Asante are here to seek permission from Asante to accept the leader of Asante. And so Asante is asking all the elders whether they all are in support of the nomination and the selection of the Kobakesi Supremo.
So, not a very well. Sir, I didn't command for me to go there. No, you saw it. And get now the best way about this open.
The chiefs are also pleading for the acceptance. They're asking the for something to accept the person Asante is presented as the chief.
And now I Sunday, you know, I want you. We are very much. We hear you more, but we are praying. You see, the stress, the opinion to be so. Your so.
Sadia Paris, I hear Socialo, a serious idea in a year of Dama, Tiasia, Mona, Dama, who was in this.
Nana from Paris has also pleaded.
Whatever they should grant you over. And then I'm over. The witness I told you said, and I'm then free. At the end, when I'm testing the amount, mobile, more privately, the people, whom I let us walk, whom I said, the amount of the pen and me, is mobile, whom for you, a man of him, any for more my people. Nana, Wadawoma, I write and we do it my head. My body wants to be so.
Nana, we put myself before one and before him. I also added the voice, pleading with the Asante to accept the person Asante is presenting as the chief, and that he has a lot of confidence in him and believe that he will serve and serve Asante well.
And now it's the one who say you are too far. India will be piano, I'm pushing too far. Let me say it in who are pushing. I'm not yet told you. He said, India, see, we are between you and the president. I guess I'm So what you told also say also to follow the name one. They say in social media everywhere there was something. Something I chairman for a handful for our small money. To have been on one see. So what twist was say also something money. A couple or dog. And I know I say you could never feel a couple need a driver and we tea and a tumima and 2 times about the support to be able to the extra one say you talk about anything and now or move and yet say that I see me continually until maybe show us you. When I was small, now you say, I so you say, but here I'm until say you miss the and your flower. So it's the moon I can't say, hey, I'm only a little when you want to sell you do I know and a good one. I'm a planning now to see. A sweaty almost all the time. If you may be on one, say, move from an animal, a boy of a penny or you. When living out of New York, no animal. I think here someone needs a country. Yes, we are going to say, you put out of you. It's the very natural one, said. Nanima, said, you move. Says, come to our own into you any other person, any of you, and or say, who could do a way with you and you are natural. In the African, I have been saying, Pastor, I will
We just heard the voice of Nana and Mobia upon the tape. The 2-4 of what he's saying is that as if emergency is accepted by certain, you should watch his test, and that you should not do anything that in the name of the kingdom or the name of certain into discipline. This is what I said. Yes, I will. The to advise the elders of Asanteman to give the incoming chief West Council.
papa, yes, papa, and then the other.
Sure.
And then I was actually on 64. I know already one
Sure.
So let's see.
Sure.
As I said, come on,
Sure.
only pay on your
Sure.
yes, sir. Only papa,
Sure.
yes, sir. And then the last day, I continue my yard every into the pen.
Sure.
Yeah, see the sound of no 1980.
Sure.
Here I was also the Sumpa.
Sure.
Yes, I will throw.
Sure.
Other people on us.
Sure.
Throw.
Sure.
Give this to cry. Yeah.
Sure.
Say, I may say, there is to be only free.
Sure.
Also, the Sumpa.
Sure.
This year, war. Sure.
Sure. Sure. Sure. Sure. Sure. Sure. Sure. Sure.
And yet, some will play back account. India.
Sure.
What
Sure. Sure. Sure.
And yes, I will Casa,
Sure.
buy and what you can on my house in the
Sure.
you say, over to me,
Sure.
the chair, where we can't buy.
Sure.
It's the make us show ourselves.
Sure.
Magana for Munya,
Sure.
Munipa,
Sure.
only us to buy some dirty crap.
Sure.
Obia Casa, Magana for me. Say,
Sure. Sure.
see, I'm a fire.
Sure.
Now, I'm paying for that, so I have to
Sure.
also was now feeding why a plan 64 and a war full of
Sure. That's your rule.
Has accordingly advised the Koba Jesse Supremo and also advised the elders to fully support him if he's given the opportunity to swear. And now, Asante has given the green light for the oath swearing process to begin.